Exploring the magic of adverb clauses in English grammar. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to dive into an exciting part of English grammar, adverb clauses. You'll learn how they function and how they can transform your sentences from basic to complex, adding more detail and depth to your expressions. So, let's get started. An adverb clause is a group of words that functions as an adverb in a sentence. That means it modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It usually starts with a subordinating conjunction like because, although, when, while, if, etc. For example, consider the sentence, she cried because she was happy. The clause, because she was happy, is modifying the verb, cried, telling us why she cried. Adverb clauses have several key functions in English grammar. Let's explore some of them. Function 1. Showing time. Adverb clauses can show when something happened. We typically use conjunctions like when, once, as soon as, while, and until in these clauses. Example, when the movie ended, we went for dinner. Function 2, indicating cause and effect. Adverb clauses can indicate why something happened or its result. Common conjunctions used include because, since, as, and so that. Example, I stayed home because it was raining. Function 3, showing contrast or concession. Adverb clauses can also express contrast or concession. We use conjunctions like although, even though, while, and whereas for this. Example, although she was tired, she continued to work. Function 4, stating condition. Adverb clauses can state a condition. Here we often use if, unless, and provided that. Example, I will go to the party if I finish my work. It's crucial to know when and where to use adverb clauses to effectively enhance your writing and speech. The flexibility of adverb clauses allows you to play around with sentence structure, helping you to create more complex and engaging sentences. Remember, adverb clauses can come at the beginning, middle, or end of sentences. However, when they start a sentence, they must be followed by a comma. Example, if you study hard, you will pass the exam. And that wraps up our introduction to the fascinating world of adverb clauses. By understanding their functions, you can express complex ideas, show connections between ideas, and enhance your English language skills. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing these clauses in your daily English usage. Until next time, happy learning!